Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, March the 4th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, with 4 stars. And this will be number, I believe, 4214. Oh, let me hold the camera. The 4214. Before I start, let me count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14. Printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yeah, should be an easy one. Because for 4 stars, a puzzle, well, for four stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Well, with 14 printed digits should be an easy one. Okay, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. First question to you is: can we see here the single box? No, there aren't any single boxes here. Dual boxes then. I see here one dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Triple boxes then. Only one. Dual box, triple box. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes. I see here quadra box. I cannot fill those numbers yet. Need more information? Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. The T shape, let me draw the T shape here. The T shape, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Only one T shape. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, more of this kind of shapes. No, only one. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? Yeah, the Z. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. Alright. Only one I can see. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, this shape, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We see here the L shape. Alright, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. How about this shape? Oh, I overlooked this shape. This is the same shape as this shape. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. But this shape, I have not drawn this shape. We have another shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have all the shapes. Cannot believe this. Yes. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have all of those shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those shapes that you need to recognize. All those shapes we have here in this puzzle. If you recognize those shapes, then it's easy. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. We have a double 1 here, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So one box left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box. So we also 1 or a 2. We already have a 2 there. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. One box left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. One box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1 in this quadra box. So one box left for the 1 should be there. Two numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. That means that those two boxes can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there and double 3 there. So the 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. So two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Okay. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2 in the same area? Yeah, 2. Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 4. Okay, this box can be a 1. Can it be a 3? So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. One digit left in this area for number 5. Okay. Let me see. Well, these three boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, if this is a 4, this box is connected with that box. Should be also for 4. But we already have a 4 here. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. The 4 is supposed to be here. Alright. Okay. These two boxes can be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. 1, 3. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2. Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. These three boxes surround the 3. Can it be a 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So it should be 4 or a 5. But this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 4 here. So it cannot be 4 anymore. Should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Right. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and a 2. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 and a 2 there. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. Well. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. Okay, so we are missing the 2 here. Well, this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay. So 2 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore, because if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes in there. Okay. Let me see. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 5. But we already have a 2 there, so it cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and a 2. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Okay. 1 digit left in this Z construction for the number 3. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes here. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Okay. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 4. So the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay. 2 and a 4. 1, 2, 4. 3 and the... Well, this box cannot be a 2 or a 4, but can also not be a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, so we also 3 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 here because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. But it's reserved for the 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4, so it cannot be a 5 anymore. The 5 is supposed to be here. The 2 and a 4 goes here. But we already have a 4 here, I see. So it can be 4. Should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And 1 box left in this L shape for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Okay. Well, 2 and a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Told you. Should be an easy one with 14 printed digits. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplets, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku, or a killer Sudoku, yeah. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. All of those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.